Hello, hello. Today I have Unlucky Sandwich Sudoku by Joe Lafioska. And I'm just going to get into it. So, the number 7 is often considered to be lucky. But in this unlucky sandwich Sudoku, all the 7s have been replaced by the digits 1 through 9. Yes, one of the 7s was replaced with a 7, meaning that there's a single 7 in the grid. Okay? So, the replacement numbers are reflected in the sandwich sums. All these are sandwich sums. But may not be used as sandwich ends. Okay, so when the 7 is a 9 or a 1, they can't be the crust of the sandwich, but they will be in the middle, or they might be outside, but if they're in the middle, they will count as whatever the replacement value is. And then given digits are highlighted, so that's this cell, if and only if they are replacements. Okay, so this 4 is actually a 7, and these are not 7. Let's just try to solve that. So I guess I should explain what a sandwich is actually. So a sandwich means, let's take this 13 as an example. Then somewhere in this grid, ignore the 7s rule for a second because that's going to complicate things. But somewhere in this row is a 1, let's say it's here, and somewhere there's a 9, let's say it's here. So 1 and 9 are always going to be the crusts of our sandwich. And the number on the outside of the grid is going to tell me the sum of the digits between here. So this might be, say, 6, 7, summing to 13, making that work. If the 9 were, say, here instead, I might have something like 2, 6, 5. Instead, summing to 13, those digits between the 1 and the 9 are the meat of my sandwich, or the fillings. It has to be meat, I guess. Yes, so that's how sandwich clues work. Now, in this case, let's pick an even number. So this 14 is 2 7s. Wow, there are no small even numbers. So let's just do this 9 then. Suppose I had a 1 here and so I had 9 here and a 1 here. I could fulfill this with, say, 2, 2, 5 if this 2 were a 7. Like we're a replacement for the 7. Like this could work here. Okay. So anyway, so that's how the puzzle's gonna work. Now let's try to do it. I'm tempted to highlight. No. So I'm gonna change this to like a my blue to represent that as 7s, and so I should end up with a blue digit in every row, column, and box. Representing the 7s. Okay. So let me see I'm going to try to see what happens with conflict checker here. Because I noticed I just put 2 4s here. Oops. Or no, I put 2 2s here and they didn't mess with each other. And I think I have digit conflict checker on. Yeah. So 2 is going to work. Pencil mark checker is off. Interesting. So so I think the only thing conflict checker is going to do is check these given digits that are not the 4. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm always just very interested in how setters mess with the conflict checker. I haven't really figured out how to do that yet. So how are we gonna do the puzzle? Sandwich clues. So 37 and 36 cannot normally be done in a sandwich Sudoku because the highest you can get is 35. So if I put, say, a 1 here and a 9 here, those are 10 out of the 45 that are gone, leaving only 35 in the middle. All right, so the way I'm going to get 37 is replace 7 with 9. The way I would get 36, I have to replace 7 with something higher than 36. And I'm like, the one thing I'm thinking about is, can this be a 7 replaced by a 9? And the answer is no, because if I do that, then what's going to happen is I'll have to get 1 outside of the sandwich somehow. I won't be able to do that because the only 1 will be the actual 1 because the 7 in the column will be the 9. So I can't have a 1 outside. I mean, it wouldn't work anyway if I ever tried to replace the 7 with a 1. So yeah, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So these are my crusts here, and these are my crusts here. This is not 7. Well, actually, this is my 7 replacement, so I know those aren't anyway. So one of these is my 7 that's really a 9. Or a 9 that's really a 7. And one of these is my 8 that's really a 7. Like, it could go here though, right? So this could be an 8 that's really a 7. which is going to be confusing, I think, going through this. But I'm going to use yellow. I guess I don't have to call the blues yellow because I know all the blues will be yellow. But I think I will just for my own visual sake. I'm going to use yellow because I think yellow, blue, and red as primary colors are all going to be fine for colorblind. I don't know. I'm going to do this. You can yell at me in the comments if it's not good. So this is 0, which means one of these is crust. I don't know which one though, so I'm going to just highlight all the others as not crust. And this is 1, meaning this is a 7 that's really a 1. Whoops. Because the only way to make a 1 in a sandwich, because this is going to be 1 or 9. This can't be it because it's here. So I've been shortcutting a little bit by not explaining this. So in every row, column, and box, there's going to be exactly 2 crusts. So if I know where these 2 crusts are in this box, I know the rest of the box are not crust. Same here, if I know these are the crusts and everything in between is not crust. This column has a sandwich value of 1, which means the only way that's going to work is to have the digit 1. I can't have zeros anywhere in the puzzle because 7s cannot be zeros. So I need the digit 1 in the sandwich. I can't do it this way because I'd have to have crust 1 crust, but this cell is not crust. So I have to have crust 1 crust this way. But the only way that's going to work is because one of these is the real 1. The other one is the real 9. So this is my 7 masquerading as a 1. Which means these are not crust. This is. So I'm getting a lot of crusts without knowing which is which yet. I mean, yeah, obviously I can't. Like the 1 makes me think I should be able to do this, but I cannot. I guess I can say that this is crust and these are not. So somehow I have to get these crusts into either this box, this row, this column, or this row to figure out which way is which. Because I think that's the only. There are no other clues to disambiguate 9 and 1. So it's got to be this somehow. So somehow I have to get the crusts over to this box, this row, or this column. But I mean, I can do other stuff first, obviously. I'm looking for other sandwich clues that could be helpful. This 21 might be helpful. Like, could this possibly be crust? Because the 9-7 is taken, the 8-7 is taken. Oh, this could be a 9-7. So this could be 9. If this is crust, I don't think it could go this way, right? Because I'd have crust here, so that doesn't work. If this is crust, though, actually, maybe this is more useful. Could this be crust? I could do 9-3-8, which is 20 only, so it doesn't work this way. If I go this way, it's real bad. So this can't be crust. Now I'm thinking, can this be crust? I think I might be able to do 9-9. Hold on. It have to be 9-9-6, I think. Oh, I only need 9-9-3 though, so I could do, yeah, I could do 9-7-5. Yeah, okay. This way, if this is my 9 going this way, that's really a 7. I could do 9. Hold on, can I do it this way? If these are both crust, how does that work? This could be 7 as 9. Oh no, I can't do another 9 because the 9 is in the crust. So if this could be my 7 masquerading as a 9. That would mean that's the 7 in the column. So I couldn't do an 8s actually. It would be 9, and I couldn't use 7 either. So it would be 9, 6, 5 is only 20. Also, wow, so that can't be crust either. That's surprising. Okay. Oh no, this way just, wait, hold on, which way? I did that one first. Hold on. I forgot. I wouldn't do this again because I've convinced myself that I'm wrong. So let's suppose this is crust. Down just doesn't work. I can't fit, even if they're both 9s, I can't do it down. So if it's here, it has to go up. I can't do a 7 as a 9 here. The best I can do is 8-3-7, which is only 18. So that doesn't work. Can this be crust? Same problem with up is only 2 digits. One of them's a 3. That's ridiculous. This could be a 9 now, but neither of these can be 8, nor can they be 7 if this is the 7 masquerading as a 9. So the best I could do is 9, 6, 5, which is only 20. Yeah, so that doesn't work either. Okay. I feel better having done that because I felt like I messed it up before. The explanation of it, even though it turned out to be right. One of these is crust and one of these is crust because there's no way I can make these both or these both crust with a 23. How is that going to work? Like, can this be crust? It has to be 8. 8, 7, 6 is the best I could do because the 9 and the 8 are taken. So 8, 7, I could have 7 in one of these as itself. 8, 7, 6, only 21. So this can't be crust. But I think this would, I mean, yeah, there's 8, 7, 6, 2. That's all I would need here. So that works okay. And so then presumably this works as well. Actually, now the question is, can I do something like this? I think the answer is no. Because, oh no, this could, yeah, if this is because this is really a 7. I was thinking it's a 1. If this is really a 7, oh, actually that's really helpful because I know there's no fake 7 here. There's no fake 7 here. So if these are both crust, then outside the sandwich they sum to 12 because outside plus inside the sandwich will always, if you ignore the 7 shenanigans, will always add up to 35 because it's 45 minus 9 minus 1. Well, not that one, but minus 9 minus 1, which is 10. 45 minus 10 is 35. So if these are 10 for the 2 crusts, that's 23. That's 33. This is going to be 12. But that's really a 7. So this will be a 5. I guess I can color one of these as blue. Okay, so what does that have to do with this? So this could be 5. If it's not, then I have 2 digits that add up to 5, which is still possible. I could have a 2, 3, either here or here. But that does mean this is either 2, 3, or 5, which is a little bit of something. Okay, but I can't limit the crust anymore. Oh, but I do know that one of these is the crust. So one of these is actually the 1 crust. One of these is the 9 crust, and these are not crust. Oops. These are not crust. And now that's going to help this out. So neither of these can be crust. Oh, there we go. So this is crust, and that's my 1. And this is now a 2, 3 pair. And this is crust. And I think I could get, hold on. Wait. Back up. Well, no, that's all correct. I was about to say this has to be crust, but that's not true, I think. I think I could do, because normally you can't put a 1. Oh, but the 1 is taken. Hold on, so maybe this can't be crust. I'm trying to think, how do I possibly get 7 in here? Oh no, 2, 2, 3 works. 2, 2, 3 works if I use a 7 as a 2. Like this could be the real 2, this could be fake 2, that's a 7, and this could, oh, this can't be 3. This could be real 2, this could be real 3, this could be fake 2. So crust could go here. So this doesn't, oh, this actually can't be crust. So it has to do that. Or, I mean, I don't know, there might be other ways to do it besides 2, 2, 3. Because there's no way it's this, right? Because the best I can, because 1's taken, the best I can do is to make 7 a 2. So I have 2, 2, 3, 4. It's just way too big, yeah. Oh, in fact, yeah, 2, 2, 3 is minimizing this. So this is in fact 2, 2, 3. This is in fact 2, 2, 3 with one of these as the fake 7 and not this one. So one of these is my fake 7 as a 2. One of them is my real 2. So this is a 2. It's not a 3. But I don't know if it's fake 2 or real 2. This is either 3 or fake 2. This is real 2 or real 3. It's a confusing set of digits, but it's really like a 2, 3, 7. Hold on, let's fill in these to the extent I can. 1, 9, 1, 9. Yeah, I get them all so far, which means these are not crust because they see 1 and 9. One of these are my red crust, so these are not crust. My 9 crust. One of these is my 1 crust, so these are not crust. This is not 1, so one of these, oh wait, these are just not crust. It's simpler. This is my 9 by Sudoku. One of these is a 1, which I won't mark because that's implied by the crust. This is not crust because it sees the 9 and the 1. And I think we're out of that. Okay. So let's do more about this because this 14 really helped me there. How far could I get? Because now 1 is taken, 2 is taken. The best I could do is 7 is 3. So I could do 2, 3, 3 is 8 now. 4 is 12. 5 is too big. So this is not crust. That's my 9. I can't have 1 digit, so that's not crust either. So one of these is my 1, one of these is my 9. This can't be 9, so this is my 9. Yellow. And unfortunately, I don't think that helps. So can I do anything with this? This is 14. It could use a fake 7, which is going to complicate things. It can't be 2 7s, because that would require both 7s. The fake 7 as itself is still a 7. So what could the fake 7, if it's involved here, has to be here. Okay, so the obvious things it could be, oh, 9's gone. So the obvious thing it would be a 6, 8. But if this is fake 7, this could be fake 7 masquerading as 6 with an 8. It could be fake 7. It can't be fake 7 masquerading as an 8 because that's taken here. In fact, let me put that there to remind myself that that's the fake 8. The fake 9's here. I'll just have to remember because I'm not going to mark these all as 9. The fake 7 could be not a 7 because that would be the 6. It could be 6. It could be no, it can be 5. Hold on. So is this just 6, 8? But I just don't know if this is a real 6 or a fake 6. Because what could this possibly be? The fake, this is either a real 6, in which case that's an 8, or it's a fake 7, which can't be 9, 8, or 7. So that'd be 6. Yeah, no, that's just the way it works. That's a 6, that's an 8. But this could be fake 6. I have to be careful. I don't know how to mark that. Hold on. This 21 now seems awfully suspicious. No, that's fine. So 21 means I have an outside here digits that add up to 14, which can't be 2 7. So that's my, in fact, it's going to be 6, 8. So that here, I'm going to get 6, 8. Whoops. Oh, no, that's wrong. It could be more than that. Hold on. It's definitely this, because I can't put 14's worth of digits. I don't need 14's worth of digits. Well, but I need 14 or more. Because if the fake 7 is in here, it's 7 or less, which would mean I would need more digits up here. So this is definitely not crust. There's no way I can, but this still is hard to make 21. I was going to say this had to be 6, 8. But this, hold on. This could be 7, 8. Either way, I need the 8. There's no way the 8's in here, right? Because this is 1. So I would have 2. The lowest I can make this is 2, 3. 7 masquerading as 3. 4, 5. 2. Hold on, does that just work? 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 is 17. Which puts 6. Hold on, but no, the question is, can I put an 8 here? If this is 8, well, not. Oh no, 8's gone. 8 is here by Sudoku. Well, that's easier. Which means, oh no, but that's my 7. So I have an 8 here that's a 7 and an 8 here. I'm not going to mark all that. That's too much. I get 8 here by sudoku. I really want to call this blue, but I can't guarantee. I don't. I'm going to call this just pink to remind myself that this might be a 7. 8's one of those. Yeah, this 8 is very confusing. So this is really 2, 3, 7. So let's use 4, 5, 8 here. These are 4, 5, 6. This could still be 6. Oh, this is 9. So this is my 7 masquerading as a 9. Which means my other 7 is here somewhere. Right, let's start marking clues that I've completed. That's done. That's done. That's done. Okay. I really think this is going to be a 6. Well, no. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to think how this could be anything other than 6. Well, first of all, if it's a real 6, then that means the 7 is down here. But 6, 8 is 14, which is what we would need to make this clue. So the 7 would have to be itself and be here. Well, the 7 would have to be here either way. So that's one possibility. Oh, no. This could be the fake 7. I almost said the fake 7 had to be here, but that's not true. Could the fake... Could this be 5? No. This can't be less than 6. Because if it's less than 6, that implies the 7 is down here as something bigger than 7, but 9 and 8 are taken. So this can't be fake. This can't be less than 6. And 8, the real 8, the real 9 are taken. So either it's a real 6 or it's 7 masquerading as something. But if it's 7 masquerading as something, then I know what this is and it's not 21. So this is 6. There's a real 7 in here. Oh no, but it could be here. I was wrong. This is a real 6, and one of the no. No, I do know that now. So the 7 can't be either of those. I almost said it's here, but it could be here. The real 7 is not one of those. It's not here. It could have been here, but I think I've just proven that it can't be the 7 here. Because if that's the real 7, these just won't add to 21. So this has to be it. And to make the sum work has to be itself. So there's my real 7 right in the center of the grid. Yeah, that just aesthetically makes a lot of sense to put the real 7 there. So this is the 7 masquerading as a 2. This can't be the real 2, so that's a 3. And that's the real 2, meaning that's a 3. And now this 21 clue is done. Okay. I know this digit by this 14 clue. So 35, so this has to be 21. No, did I break it? No, this is a 7. Sorry, this is a 7. 15, this is a 6. Whew. That is a 6, because these have to add up to 21. This being a 7, right? These are going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the smallest they could be. This is a fake 4. It's a 7. So these are 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5's in here. Oh, my 3's in here. This could be a 4. This could be either. These could be either. Okay. But now that 14 clue is done. The 9 clue is done. The 7 clue was done before. Hold on, how are these crests going to work? They have to be here. For the 13 clue, that's going to be it has to be 5. And since the real 5 is here, that's the fake 5. So this is not my fake 8. This is my fake 8, which means my real 8 is here, which is very confusing to me. But this 13 clue is now done. I like how maximally confusing this 7 has turned out to be. I feel like it would have been easy to have that kind of get away from you, and you end up with a lot of situations where you're kind of just figuring it out by sudoku. Like here, for example, I know that's a fake 7, but I don't know what it is yet. In fact, how am I going to do that? Hold on. Yeah, this is the fake 7. Good. Very good. So do I have all the fake 7s now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so I have all the fake 7s. Oh, so I do know what it is. 1, 2, it's got to be 3, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so that's a fake 7 is a 3. I guess you kind of have to have one of those. Are we done with crusts? Not yet. Oh, yeah, we are. Just have to fill it in. Okay, so we're done with crust now. We still have some sandwiches left, but not many. In fact, it's just a 13, so that's a 2, 3 pair. Because got to add to 5, and the 1's gone. And now all the confusing 7 stuff is done. In fact, what I'm going to do now, check this out. I am going to make these, black, because I don't want to see those digits. Oh, I can still see them. Do I have a better color? Here, how do I? I'm trying to remember how to like. There we go. Let's make this just totally black. Well, I think that's what it was actually. Yeah, I can still see them a little bit, but at least it's a clear signal that these are not Sudoku digits. I should ignore them. My 7s are done for Sudoku purposes. They're taking their spots. They're all 7s. So let's leave them as is. And then all my sandwich clues, I believe, are done, right? Just do a quick little loop. Yeah. So now it's just Sudoku. But I can't do like this. Well, I could just get rid of one. So are my 1s done? They might be. Yeah, 1s are done. 2s are not even close to done. Well, okay, hold on. One of those is 2. So I get 3, 2 here. That might be the end of 2s. 3s, ignore that. Yeah, it's hard to not look at this. Okay, I don't see anything there. 4s, I don't have any. Okay. Am I done with my sandwiches? I'm a little, I feel like I'm under Sudoku'd here. 5, one of those. 6 is here. No, that's a fake 6. Not there. Here. Well, still here, I guess. And here. And therefore here. And then here. And then here. 1, 2, yeah, those are my 6s. 7s. Okay, so I have no 7s and no 4s, which worries me that I made a mistake, so I don't know how I'm going to disambiguate those. I don't know. Well, let's just keep going. Hopefully it'll work out. 8s. Not this one. So these are the next swing there. That's all that's left, right? Yeah. Crusts are done. Let me just make sure these sandwiches are correct. 14. Just because I'm worried how I'm going to disambiguate whatever two digits I said didn't have any in there. 13, 0. All right, let's keep trying. Let's try 2s again. don't see it. Threes. Not that one. Oh, I get a 3 here, 3 here. Yeah, okay, so those are 3s. These are 3s. I really don't have any 4s. How many 4s and how many 7s? This feels like it's not possible. Did I do this right? If this is 4, 5. 10, 21. Yeah, no, that's right. All right, well, keep going. If I get to a 4, 7 craziness, I will reevaluate. Yeah, it really feels like there just isn't enough. Well, it's not 2. To go on. 2, 4, 5, 3, 8. Not 8's not there. 2, 4, 5. 2. This is a 4, 5 as well. Oh, I have a 5 here. Hold on. Oh no, 7s are done. That was my okay. 7s are done. That's why I can. Because 7s are done. It's not that I have no 7s. I have all the 7s. So let's then go back to 4s. That's a fake 4. Yeah, surprisingly tricky sudoku at the end here. 2, 4, 5. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. What are these? 3 and what? 2. That doesn't help me either. That's 7. 2, 4, 5, 8. This can be 8. That's a fake 8. 2, 4, 5, 8. Huh. Okay, what? I'm missing something. How about this one? 5, 3. This is 2 or 4. Here we go. That's 4. That's 2. Meaning this is a now 3, 4 pair. I mean, this is a 2, 5 pair, but that can't be 2. This is now 4, 8. This is 2, 5. I know that. I'm just gonna. Well, this can't be 2 anymore. There we go. That's 2. This is a 3, 4 pair. Nope. It's not a 3, 4 pair. It is a 3, 2 pair, which I know. 4, 5. Hold on. I almost have a 4, 5 deadly pattern. Here's the 5. Like where the 5 must break somewhere. Wait, actually, does it? Hold on. 2 here. 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 8. 5. Okay, I hope that's right. Yes, all right. Very nice puzzle, Joe. Yeah, really enjoyed it. So thanks for sending it in, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.